Okay, so looking at percentage questions, which is considered one of the tough in the exams, it says that a watch is priced to 20% profit, then it is again repriced. The word reprice is suggesting that it is again repriced from the very beginning. So starting off, we will be doing this like, for example, if the initial price is X, so we are not aware of it, so that's why I am taking it as X. And then it is price to 20% profit. So I will be multiplying it by 120%. Why is that? Because I will be saying cost price. I am not aware of it, but it is 100% plus profit, and it is equals to selling price. So selling price becomes 120% if the profit is 20%. So X multiplied by 120%, so it becomes 120% of X. Then it is again reprice. Reprice means that again we are going to 100%, and it is multiplied by 40% increase, that it becomes 140% of X. So it becomes what? Then it goes again to 100%, and we take 40% profit, so it becomes 140% of X. The value becomes 140% of X. So difference between the two profits is equals to this, and it is equivalent to 440. So 20% of X is equals to 440. X is equals to 40% divided by 0.2, and we are left with a value of 2200. I hope you guys have understood this question. This is the end of this session.